Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder Path Trading Partners with a Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin and Ethereum update. So, Bitcoin Cash hit first key levels. You can see closed above our trend line, pulled back, kissed it goodbye also into the rotation zone, ran up, stopped dead on our first pretty much levels. Now going to the next level. It takes some of these off to clean up the charts. So now, next levels are still around the 576 area, and then we've projected the next two levels up, 595 essentially, and 613.62. Also, you can watch for continued pullbacks to rotation zone. This is getting a little extended, but again, we don't know when these are going to stop. They can keep going for a long time. Also, on a daily chart, this did trigger a trend line trade. And the full target for that is eventually 667 area, 667, right here at the end of this clear path. So that's what we will be watching for. You can also see on the daily how it came back, kissing the trend line goodbye. Just keep in mind, we are getting extended from the first cross rotation zone. We've only had one touch, but this is getting extended. So at some point, do not be surprised when we get a bigger pullback. Switching over to Bitcoin, US dollar 4-hour chart, major momentum coming in, a couple quick dips to the rising 8 on the 4-hour chart, and the 25% pullback level on a GAN, which is a very key GAN level, especially these strong moves, trading back in the 12.5%. Now let's zoom down to the 1 hour just so you can see how we dipped in the rotation zone, moved back up, came again, tested again, just dropping below it, but held at the 25% GAN level, pretty much stopping right on it. This is a level you're going to want to watch for, especially when we're in new uncharted territories and we are pulling back. Anything above the 25% GAN level is a very, very strong market. So where's that drawn from? It's drawn from the last major point it took off from. So we had this big flat area. We had this key low, key high up there. That's the 25% GAN level we are watching for. Now, what are we looking for? We are looking for a return to the 73.50 area, then the 73.77. That's our 62.5 projection. Then we're looking for 75.17, 75.18. And I'd be looking for 7,500 because that round number principle it's all over the place, especially in Bitcoin. Then 76.85. Let's zoom out also to get the bigger perspective, because this is getting extended also. So you can see with our eventual target all the way up here of 85.84, just from the 86. And that's from this ABC projection starting down here on the 15th of September to the high at the 21st of October, projected from the low from the 25th. That gave us a 62.5% projection, which we essentially almost hit today, and then the full one projection. So at some point, again in this, do not be surprised to see a bigger pullback. Right now, if we were to get a bigger pullback and not hold this 25% level, the key level we'd be watching for is the 66.05 area and then the 63.57. So some pullback into this area on the daily with the rising rotation zone. That's what we're going to be looking for. Switching over to Ethereum, 4-hour chart. See, we have a significant level. We've come down, tested it twice along with the 50% retracement area. This 276, this 275 area, nice long tail, the 50% rule we use for some of these pullbacks off key areas. This was not a double bottom, just in case anybody was wondering, and I'll show you why. Let me just redraw this trend line, because that's the new correct drawing for it. And any aggressive entries here, they are aggressive because we are against the 4-hour rotation zone, so we're looking for targets within these 4-hour rotation zones. Right now we're trading back at this prior breakout zone. The next target in here is for the prior breakout zone, which is in the middle of the rotation zone. Let me show you why that this wasn't a double bottom. See, here was one of the bottoms move up and then this move down, and this was the next high, so the low high bar cannot be the same. Now we're essentially in some congestion pattern. So watch for key support about this 2 82 level, and then if that breaks, then we're going to be watching for other possible entries back down around this significant level. Switching over to the daily chart, there is a very sloppy potential double top. Not very nice because of this spike up, but this would be the projection we'd be watching for. This is the reversal, so if we do get back up there, we'll project some levels from there and see if it's going to be a valid level to trade. That's what we have for you on Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Bitcoin for tonight, and we will talk to you again soon. Bye for now.